Samsung has finally done it. The first official look at the Galaxy Z TriFold is here. After years of rumors and leaks, the company has now showcased its first trifolding smartphone ahead of the APEC 2025 summit in South Korea. This marks a major milestone in smartphone innovation, showing just how far Samsung's foldable journey has come. At the K-Tech Showcase, a side event held at the Jeonju Expo Park Air Dome, Samsung displayed the Galaxy Z TriFold for the very first time. The device was kept safely under a glass showcase, so no one could touch it yet. Still, the world finally got to see what this revolutionary device looks like in real life. According to images captured during the event, the Galaxy Z TriFold can transform from a compact 6.5-inch phone into a full-sized 10-inch tablet. It uses two hinges to fold and unfold smoothly, giving users a completely new kind of flexibility. Tipster at Universes also shared a clear photo of the device, confirming its dual hinge mechanism and sleek, futuristic design. Samsung officially confirmed that this new trifold phone represents years of research and development. In a statement, the company said it is continuing to advance next-generation form factors in the era of mobile AI to deliver meaningful user experiences. The Galaxy Z TriFold is the latest example of that mission. Samsung also confirmed that it plans to bring this new device to users later this year. Reports suggest that the full announcement of the Galaxy Z TriFold could happen within this week, and the device might go on sale next month in select markets like South Korea and China. More regions are expected to follow later. Now, this new launch isn't just about another foldable device. It's also a bold message to Apple and the rest of the tech world. While Apple continues to rely on its well-established ecosystem and takes a slow approach to hardware changes, Samsung is once again proving that it leads the way in innovation. For years, Apple's ecosystem has been unmatched in terms of user loyalty, services, and integration. But that same success has made Apple cautious about experimenting with new hardware. It's a company that prefers to wait until technologies are mature before jumping in. The result? No foldable iPhone yet. Even though Samsung's foldable lineup has already reached its 7th generation, Samsung, on the other hand, continues to take bold steps forward. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 was a major success, grabbing attention even from loyal Apple users. Many who had waited for a foldable iPhone finally decided to make the switch after seeing how far Samsung's technology had come. With the TriFold, Samsung is now entering a completely new phase. This device isn't just a product, it's a statement. It shows the world that Samsung isn't afraid to innovate, even in areas where Apple refuses to go. The TriFold design serves as proof of capability, showcasing that Samsung doesn't just follow trends, it creates them. This new device also highlights how Samsung has mastered multiple categories of modern tech. The company began the slim phone trend earlier this year with the Galaxy S25 Edge, launched the world's thinnest foldable phone, and even revealed new products in extended reality, including smart glasses and headsets. Now, with the Galaxy Z TriFold, it's pushing boundaries once again. Samsung's strategy is clear: to lead the conversation about the future of personal technology. Whether it's smartphones, wearables, or extended reality devices, Samsung is shaping what's next while Apple continues to play catch-up. The TriFold cements Samsung's reputation as a true hardware pioneer, one that drives the industry forward instead of waiting for others to take the first step. It's also worth noting how much this new form factor could change the way people use their devices. A phone that can unfold into a tablet offers the convenience of portability with the power of a larger display. It could completely redefine productivity, entertainment, and multitasking on the go. By entering the TriFold category, Samsung isn't just introducing a new device, it's creating a new standard. This launch proves that the company's innovation-first approach continues to pay off, pushing the smartphone market beyond traditional boundaries. As the official unveiling approaches, excitement is building rapidly. All eyes are on Samsung to see how it presents the Galaxy Z TriFold to the world. If the leaks and early previews are any indication, this could be one of the most important smartphone launches of the decade, one that redefines the idea of what a phone can be. Samsung is once again showing that it's the brand that makes the future feel real. The Galaxy Z TriFold isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into a new era of mobile technology. And this time, the future folds not once, but twice.